So I'm going to take a springform pan, give it a little non-stick spray. I don't have to give it too much because this pan is already non-stick. And I'm going to use something a little bit different. Instead of graham cracker crust, I'm going to use Biscoff. These really crispy cookies, they've got a rich molasses, ginger, all the spices that we're going to have in our pie. So I think it's going to go great. Give this a good mix. Then I'm going to press this into my springform pan. Spread that out a bit. Let me use a measuring cup here to just kind of press it in. Just like that. There's a piece of cookie here and there. It's okay. Get all the good stuff off. For my filling, I'm going to use 3 8-ounce packages of cream cheese. Make sure your ingredients are room temperature. If not, your cream cheese will clump up. You want it to be nice and smooth. Okay, I'm going to start mixing that and get it nice and... I'm going to add in 1.5 cups of sugar. And I'm going to let that come together. Okay, I'm going to scrape down the sides. So I'm going to add 1 can of pumpkin puree, 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, 1 teaspoon of clove, 2 teaspoons of ground cinnamon, half a teaspoon of ground ginger, a teaspoonish of good vanilla extract. It already smells fantastic. 2 whole eggs, 2 egg yolks. Now that that's incorporated, I'm going to add half of a cup of heavy cream. Let's scrape this down. I'm going to scrape off the spatula because I want all that goodness in this cheesecake. That's it. Let's make this cheesecake. This is going to go into a preheated 350-degree oven, 45 minutes, and then I'm going to turn the oven off and let it set for another 10 to 15 minutes. So this is a pumpkin pie cheesecake with a Biscoff cookie crust. Let's cut in. Look at the color. That is a beautiful piece of cheesecake. Pumpkin pie cheesecake. Super creamy, excellent pumpkin pie. It's not just pumpkin pie spices. It's a literal pumpkin pie and a cheesecake mashed together in delicious goodness. Good stuff. Biscoff cookies, the way to go. So much flavor than the graham cracker crumb. It was really awesome cheesecake. Please, if you like my video, subscribe, leave a comment. Your comments and subscriptions really help motivate me to continue to make these videos. Thank you.